Hello, and welcome to this Technic Force tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss how to redub your video with VidScribe. I will show you how to replace the original audio of a video with a different language voiceover and redub the video step by step. Simply head to your VidScribe dashboard and click on the Campaigns tab. From there, click the Continue menu on the campaign you want to redub. Provided you've already completed all the previous steps, just click on the last button, Voiceover Video. If you've already translated your video, it will show the last saved translation. In this case, we've translated Arabic last, so here's our Arabic translation. Now, if we wanted to translate this to, say, for example, Dutch, we would just select Dutch and then hit the Go button. Now, you can see the text length and transcript cost pop-up has opened. The cost of the video depends on the character length. In my case, since the video length 280 characters is under 1,000 characters, the cost is 1 credit. Click on Proceed to continue. Instantly, it translates our script into Dutch. Next, we can choose a gender for the voiceover. In this case, we're offered both male and female voice options. So let's select one and save our changes. Then we can go ahead and generate the video. This opens a window to save the file, and a voiceover video is then queued. The data is submitted to Amazon, and VidScribe will notify us when the process begins and when the video is complete. The processing time depends on the length of your video. We expect to see a notification quickly, and there's our success notification. View the created video. Click on the View option.
Hallo, en welkom de Technic Force tutorials. In deze video laat je zien hoe je live kunt gaan op Twitch.
To go back and do another language, simply return to the VoiceOver tab. Here, you can select more languages, then follow the same steps. If you need subtitles on your video, simply check the Add Subtitles box. This will generate a video with a voiceover with subtitles displayed on the screen. I have selected Chinese as the language. After translating the video, save your changes and generate the video. Then, navigate to the Task section to view the created video. Click on View to open the video.
你好，欢迎 Technic 力教程。在这个视频中，我将教你使用 Livecast.
And that's just a quick overview of how to redub your video with VidScribe. On behalf of the Technic Force team, we wish you the very best of internet marketing success. Thanks very much for watching.